Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how does Gemini AI work. Let's begin. So if you go to the Gemini website, you're going to go to the top left, and then you're going to select this downward arrow here. And you're going to see we're going to have two options. So we have the Gemini with 1.5 Flash, and then we have the Gemini Advanced. So if you want the Gemini Advanced, you're going to select Upgrade. So then it's going to open up another separate website where it says Gemini Advanced, and it's going to show you the different features that come with this new advanced feature. So then you can just select Start Trial if you want to. So now let's say that you want to incorporate other Google apps within the Google Gemini. So then you're going to go to the top right and then select all of these square dots. Then you're going to select Google Apps. And as you can see there, you can access your accounts, your Google Search, your Business Profile Manager, your Maps, YouTube, and the Gemini. Then use Gmail, Meet, and so on. So that's pretty cool. So now let's say that you don't want to type out your question or your query to Gemini. Then what you can do is you can use the microphone option here and you can directly speak into your microphone. And then Gemini will respond to you through text. So you don't have to use text or text Gemini. So let's say that you want Gemini to analyze an image. Then what you can do is you can select this plus image here, this plus icon, with the image icon here and select Upload Image. Then it says about your data. You can review your uploaded images in your pinned and recent chats in Gemini. You can also delete your prompts, which deletes any images you upload in those prompts in your Gemini apps activity. So then you go to select Got It. So I'm going to use this image of some leaves and I'm going to ask it, what is this? ? Send. So it says here, this image you sent is a close-up shot of lush green leaves. It's difficult to say exactly what type of plants they are without more context. However, based on the appearance, here are some possibilities. So then it gives you some examples of what kind of leaves they could be. And then it's going to give you some tips here at the bottom. Select text in Gemini's response to modify it. So let's say that you're not happy with the text that Gemini is giving you. And what you can do is you can just modify it. So by clicking on the pencil, and they can add some modifications there. Then if you go to the left side, there's going to be a plus icon here. So you can select this if you want to create a new chat. Then if you go to the top left here, where these three horizontal lines are, it's going to show you your recent chats over here. So mine was plant identification request and then Gemini working well. And then you can also go to Gem Manager. So here it says, brainstormer, find inspiration easily, fresh ideas for parties, gifts, businesses, and so on. And then you can use it as a career guide, unlock your career potential, then coding partner. So you can also use it if you're doing coding. So let's say that you're in university or you work in a coding company, and you can also use it to help you there. And then learning coach as well. Then if you want to see more, then you can just select show more and then writing editor. Then if we go to the left side here, you can select activity. And then another cool thing is after you've uploaded the image, it's going to save it here. So it says here today, prompted, what is this? And then it's going to show the image that you attached. So it basically keeps track of your history on Gemini, which is really good. And then here it says Gemini apps activity. You can either turn it off or on. So turn off and then turn off and delete activity. You can also select settings or help. So if you need help with the Gemini application or website, you're going to go to the help section here. And then you can go to the frequently asked questions, then the help, and then look for updates. So let's say that you want the light theme and not the dark theme. You can just go to settings here and then select this toggle option and it's going to make it light. And then you can see your public links and then you can see your extensions. So there you can include Google Workspace, Google Hotels, the Google Flights, and so on. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.